Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If your HP printer is showing the error Cartridge Not Recognized or Cartridge Problem, don't worry, you are not alone. This is one of the most common HP Instant Ink issues, and the good news is it's completely fixable at home. In this video, I'll walk you through easy step-by-step solutions to get your HP printer back up and running in just a few minutes. So let's get started. Before we fix it, let's quickly understand why this error happens. The cartridge may not be properly seated in the printer. The cartridge contacts could be dirty or dusty. There might be a temporary firmware or software glitch. You could be using a cartridge that is not enrolled in HP Instant Ink, or the cartridge itself may be damaged or expired. Now let's move to the fixes one by one. The first thing you want to do is restart your printer. This is the simplest fix and works more often than you think. Make sure your printer is turned on, then press the power button to turn it off. Once the printer is completely off, unplug the power cord from the back of the printer and also unplug it from the wall outlet. Wait for a full 60 seconds. This clears the printer's memory. Then plug the power cord back into the wall outlet first, then back into the printer. Turn the printer back on and check if the error is gone. If the error disappears, you are done. If not, move on to the next step. And here's a pro tip. Many users fix the issue right here at this step. If the error is still showing, the next step is to remove and reseat the cartridge. Sometimes the cartridge is just slightly loose or misaligned. Open the cartridge access door of your HP printer and wait for the carriage to stop moving completely. Gently press down on the cartridge and pull it out of its slot. Look at the cartridge and check for any visible damage or shipping tape that might still be attached. If you see any orange plastic tabs or tape, remove them now. Then reinsert the cartridge firmly back into the slot until you hear or feel a click. Close the cartridge access door and wait for the printer to initialize. Then check if the error is resolved. If the printer starts working normally, you are done. If not, continue to the next step. If you're still showing the error, the next step is to clean the cartridge contacts. Dirty contacts are a very common cause of this problem. Remove the cartridge from the printer the same way as before. Take a lint-free cloth or a dry cotton swab. Do not use water or alcohol. Gently wipe the copper-colored contacts on the bottom of the cartridge. Also, wipe the matching contacts inside the printer carriage, which are the metal contacts where the cartridge sits. Let everything dry for 2 to 3 minutes, then reinsert the cartridge firmly and close the door. Check if the error message has cleared. If the error is gone, you are done. If not, move on to the next step. And here's a pro tip. Never touch the ink nozzles or copper contacts with your bare fingers because the oils from your skin can cause connection problems. The next thing to check is your HP Instant Ink account. HP Instant Ink cartridges are subscription-based, meaning they only work when your account is active and your printer is connected to the internet. Go to hpinstantink.com and sign in to your account. Make sure your subscription is active and not paused or canceled. Confirm your printer is listed and properly enrolled in the plan. Also, make sure your printer is connected to Wi-Fi because Instant Ink cartridges require an internet connection to be validated. If your subscription has lapsed, renew it and restart the printer. This step is especially important if you are using HP Instant Ink cartridges specifically. After renewing or reconnecting the printer, check if the error is fixed. If yes, you are done. If not, continue to the next step. If everything looks good with your account, the next step is to update your printer firmware. An outdated firmware can sometimes cause cartridge recognition issues. Make sure your printer is connected to Wi-Fi, then go to Settings on the printer's control panel. Look for Printer Update or Web Services and select Check for Updates. Install any available updates. You can also download the HP Smart app on your phone or computer and update the firmware from there. After the update, restart the printer and check if the issue is fixed. If the printer works normally, you are done. If not, move on to the next solution. If you're on a Windows computer, there's another great tool you can use called HP Print and Scan Doctor. Go to hp.com/support and search for HP Print and Scan Doctor. Download and run the tool. It will automatically detect your printer and walk you through the steps to diagnose and fix issues, including cartridge errors. This tool can resolve many software and communication problems between your computer and printer. And that's it. And if you still need help with your HP printer, HP Instant Ink subscription, or cartridge setup, to contact our support team anytime. Thanks again for watching. Stay safe and happy printing. See you in the next video.